So I've actually used Phantom Wallet and Coinbase for a very long time now. I've used them to primarily trade meme coins and just a lot of the other mainstream coins, and there's a couple major differences that I just thought I would list out in this video. So first off, if you're going to use Coinbase, the fees on there are astronomical. Now, they're actually like 5%, which if you're trading like $50, 5% fees, it's like $2.50. Like, it adds up really fast. So without Coinbase One, which is their subscription to actually make trades without these fees, honestly, there's almost no point of using Coinbase unless you're actually going to be holding these funds like extremely long term, which for me, I was not. I was doing like day trading, just trading meme coins every day, which brings me to my second point on Coinbase is they have extremely limited coins. Now, currently, there's only around 50 coins on the app. 50 coins, and not a lot of these are meme coins. If that's what you're trying to trade, a lot of these less mainstream coins at the moment, like maybe XDC or XCN, you can't find any of these coins on Coinbase, so you're gonna have to use Phantom Wallet. But Phantom Wallet, how it runs is it's basically run on a Solana chain. Like, what I mean by this is a lot of the coins that are developed on Phantom Wallet are based around the four major coins, which are Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Also, Phantom Wallet's transaction times, like time to trade coins, is significantly faster, which if you're actually actively trading coins on literally any of these applications, you really need a good transaction speed if you want to like flip profits fast as possible. While Coinbase, on the other hand, buying and selling different coins can take a lot longer than like it would take if you're going to use Phantom Wallet compared to Coinbase. This is just from my personal experience. Now, when it comes to security, I do have to say a little bit about Phantom Wallet is it is a lot more decentralized than Coinbase is. Now, Coinbase is a massive app that's like super widespread and everyone uses. Well, Phantom Wallet, it's a little bit more niche, you could say. Like, a lot fewer people use it just because it's not housing all the coins for trading that everyone may be looking for. Now, there are hundreds of coins you can trade on Phantom Wallet compared to Coinbase, but Coinbase's data, it's a lot more secure, and you're a lot less likely to fall into a false fake coin, like buying into a false fake coin on Coinbase, because you actually can't, because there's such limited coins, and they're all like going through these hyper secure protocols to even be able to make it on the Coinbase app. Well, on Phantom, on the other hand, there's a lot of fake Doge coins or just fake any coins in general. Like, so when you're actually trying to swap coins, be really careful that you don't buy any fake coins. It is pretty secure. Like, there's a good seed phase and it's like really safe because it's still a hard wallet. But just be really mindful when you're trading coins so you don't make any mistakes in falling into other people's traps and losing money. Just saying, Coinbase is a lot more safer when it comes to actually verifying transactions and making sure that you're using the right coins. Now, when it comes to the primary use of both of these applications, like what the difference is, Coinbase is made for more of buying and selling. Like, you're buying and selling coins, tokens, just any of that. Well, Phantom Wallet, you can actually it's designed for DeFi, NFTs, and on-chain Solana. On-chain Solana includes all of the coins that are actually made off of the Solana chain. Now, these include a ton of meme coins and just any coins on that chain in general. There's hundreds of thousands of them because Solana is actually the most used coin to actually create copies of itself. And I could also talk a little bit about the features on both of these apps. Now, these are some of the differences that include some of the ones that I just mentioned. Now, you can actually stake on both Coinbase and Phantom Wallet, which is really nice because you can actually hold it for long term. You can't actually take it out or change, but you can earn a small interest fee on both of the applications by staking them. But when it comes to major differences, such as drawbacks or like just issues that I've had with both of them, is Phantom Wallet, to actually get any money into the app or any crypto, you actually have to buy it on a different app, such as Coinbase, and actually transfer it using your seed phase or whatever crypto code is to actually send the money, the crypto coin, over into Phantom Wallet. You actually cannot attach your credit card, debit card, or bank to Phantom Wallet. You actually have to have crypto from another account that you transfer over to Phantom, which is a major drawback if you are trying to hook up your card to Phantom and not have any other forms of connection when it comes to crypto, so that's a drawback for me. And you also cannot set up reoccurring payments if you're trying to set up reoccurring payments on the Phantom Wallet app. That includes, like, you can't just have your bank transfer $1 every day into the Phantom Wallet app. I mean, it makes sense because it is so less regulated than Coinbase, but yeah, it's just one of those things to consider when you're actually trying to use both of these apps. And you should also consider the fact that Phantom Wallet you can actually only use on your phone. Now, there is a Chrome extension, a pop-up that you can actually use on your computer. However, it is the size of your phone. It's basically simulating your phone screen. Well, Coinbase you can actually use on both your phone and your computer. There's a website for it, which I think is really nice. That's something I wish that Phantom Wallet has that they currently do not. They only have the mobile version. But that is another potential major difference when it comes to making your decision if you do want to use Coinbase or if you do want to use Phantom. And overall, when it comes to actually using both of them, I've actually made a pros and cons list for Phantom Wallet and Coinbase. Now, first off, we've got the pros of Phantom Wallet. Now, you do have full control over private keys, which are non-customizable. It basically generates a key when you enter the app for the first time, sign up for a new wallet every time, and that is yours to keep, and it is nowhere to be seen in the Phantom Wallet database. And now we've also got a major difference, lower transaction fees on Solana. Now, this is how Phantom Wallet primarily makes their money, just through these small transaction fees of like 0.0001 Solana, which can be like 15 cents out of $100 or less. Like, it's like, honestly, like, you will never notice the fees unless you're actually making like a major like 50 Solana. Maybe you'll notice it then. But other than that, fees are like a crazy pro when it comes to Phantom Wallet and why you should use it. And it's also ideal for DeFi, NFTs, and Solana-based apps. And no KYCs and faster transaction speed just because of Solana's faster transaction speed in general. All the coins are based off of it, making all of the coins in general faster than all the other coins that are standard out there. And when it comes to cons, it's limited by Solana, like very limited. Like, you've got another few major coins. You've got some Ethereum meme coins and some Bitcoin, and you can trade Bitcoin and XRP, and that's pretty much it. It's really limited, which is like a major drawback for me. And also, if you lose your seed phase, you can actually lose your account, which I honestly have done. So if you're gonna get into Phantom, write down your seed phase somewhere, like save it to your phone or notes app, whatever it takes. But yeah, be mindful of your seed phase because it's super secure, but it's super easy to get locked out. And now when it comes to Coinbase, the pros, we've got it's beginner friendly and very easy to use, like very easy. Like, you can easily trade coins. The app interface is really easy to follow versus Phantom, which took me a second to actually understand how to use. It supports multiple blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and quite a few others, but just keep in mind it's limited to like 50. Only those blockchains, not the actual altcoins when it comes to these major coins, you know? And you can also buy with debit, bank transfers, PayPal, or credit card just through the Coinbase app, which is really easy, and it's very secure just because it's a massive company, and they would be sued if they actually stole your data, you know, versus a lot of these other random sites out there. So yeah, just be careful of that. But that's another benefit of Coinbase. And when it comes to cons, major con is the withdrawal fees, transfer fees. These add up way too fast. I wish they didn't exist. I mean, you can get Coinbase One. The fees are significantly smaller, but they're still significantly bigger than the ones on Phantom Wallet. So basically, overall, use Phantom Wallet if you want full control over your assets and are active in the Solana ecosystem and value decentralization and cryptocurrency. And use Coinbase if you're a beginner and need an easy Fate system transaction for preferring safety and a regulated environment, just through Coinbase in general. But yeah, I started on Coinbase and then I moved to Phantom. I don't know what you guys have tried or if you've tried any of them all yet. But yeah, those are a little bit of the key major points that I just thought I'd talk about. And yeah, let me know down in the comments which one you're using and why.